there is going to be a situation where you run into order of precedence problems. Just like in math, every operator has a precedence. And the higher that precedence, the sooner that expression will be evaluated. We can see an example of order precedence by doing something like int my number equals 20 plus 4 times 2. And what this is going to result in is 28. It's not going to result in 48. Or, sorry, 48, yeah. It's going to be 28. And that's just because of the order of operations. So, all operators have an order of precedence, and that is not exclusive to mathematical operators. It also applies to logical operators. Most books will sit there and bash the order of precedence into your face for hours and hours and hours, but in all honesty, it's best to go forward just realizing that it's there, and then working out each individual issue you run across by adding in a combination of parentheses, because parentheses will increase the precedence of any expression. So, again, it's just something you have to get used to, something you have to gain an intuition towards, something you need to practice, but be aware of it if you run into a situation where you have a compound expression not behaving the way that you expect it to. I'm not going to sit here and spew out the C# specification to everybody, because you can look that up online.